Now, amid the controversy over the results, the National Testing Agency has taken note of the complaints that have come in, with the NTA DG saying they will look into the matter. It's the assessment exam, after which around 67 students, in fact, got full marks and the #1 rank, which sparked off this controversy. Here's a clarification that has come in.
जैसे मैंने बताया कि इसके लिए जो है इसको फिर से एक रिविजिट करने के लिए हमने एक कमेटी बनाई है जो पूरा इसको देखेगी कि जो ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल कमेटी ने जो रिकमेंडेशंस दी थी उसके बेसिस पे एक बार फिर से उसको जो है पूरा एग्जामिन करेगी। थैंक यू।
तो क्या रिजल्ट फिर से डिक्लेयर करेंगे री एग्जाम करके?
देखो, इशू जो है केवल 1600 लोगों का है। ये 23 लाख जो बच्चे अपीयर हुए थे, 24 लाख में से 23 लाख बच्चे जो कुछ अपीयर हुए थे, इसमें से केवल 1600 बच्चों का इशू है। 4750 सेंटर के बजाय ये 6 सेंटर का इशू है। तो हम इसको एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं और इसको हमारी कमेटी एग्जामिन करेगी और उसके ऊपर जो रिकमेंडेशंस आएंगी उसके ऊपर फिर हम निर्णय लेंगे।
Vaishali is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Vaishali, NEET exams have been a big raging controversy in Tamil Nadu. The DMK has for long been calling for the scrapping of the examinations. The latest controversy, of course, leading to that demand yet again. But now we have a clarification coming in with the NTA DG saying that they will be looking into these claims that have been made and the irregularities that have come to light.
Well, absolutely, yes. The DMK, not just the DMK, but also the previous AIADMK government, where all the parties in the state of Tamil Nadu have always been very strictly against the NEET examination. In fact, they've been demanding for an exemption for at least for the state of Tamil Nadu to get out of the NEET examination. And now with all these allegations coming out about paper leakage, about grace marks given to some students, and about the issues that took place in some of the examination centers, have only added fuel to the fire. Both the opposition leader and chief minister, both of them have given out statements regarding this. They've spoken about how NEET is only being anti-poor, anti-social justice, and it is not treating all the students equally, and that is why this has to be banned. Therefore, once again, they are able to sense this rise for the demand for banning of NEET in the state of Tamil Nadu. In fact, some of the students who attended the examination are also saying about how they are feeling cheated, betrayed because of this grace marks given to certain students and the accusation of leakage of papers. Therefore, this issue is now, we are able to understand that the parties in states are trying to take a political stand over it and bring it up once again, and we can expect more.
For the students, they're left in the lurch, not knowing what happens next, and that uncertainty still continues.